Hey guys, welcome back to another video on our channel. Today we're going to be working on the 2020 TRD Off-Road Tacoma that we just got. And today we're going to be adding another addition to this wonderful track. We're going to be putting on Rocksliders. And let's hop right into it.
So if we get under here, you will see kind of where we're going to be putting it. Along this road here. Hopefully some of these holes like this will line up. Not quite sure, but what they look like up a little bit closer. So these inner pieces go right here, this hole you see here, that hole there, and those holes over there. Those go on the pinch welds underneath the truck. Okay, it just takes a little bit of time getting them into place. So far, they did a good job of measuring and figuring things out. I'm a little concerned about that little bit of a gap there. I don't know. I don't want it to jump up and bend the truck. Okay. So I just want to show you a little bit of how this is going to look. Let's come across here like so. Then you got your crossbars here, and then when you come over here, you can see if I can get a better angle here. If I had a lift, it would be great, but I don't. So you can see these little holes right there, hole there, and what they do is they sandwich the truck against that lip there, that welded lip that goes all the way across. And you can kind of see how it goes all the way across. There, sorry. And you have to drill holes, which is kind of a bummer. But it is what it is. It's better than dending it up as you're going out in the rock. Just wanted to let you know that we got it on. When Dalton is putting on the secure pinch weld nuts right now on bolts, and there are 4 of those that go on. And this is from Rocky Road. Show you the instruction sheet they gave us. Rocky Road Outfitters, and they're in Heber, Utah. Another Utah company. We love to support the Utah companies. If you have any questions about them, I'll leave a link in the bottom, and you'll be able to call them and get some Rocksliders for your rig as well.
As I mentioned before, I put on similar Rocksliders on my FJ80, and those worked out well. I did sell that so I could get me a Tacoma. My son and I are going to do Tacomas. And